Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan Lopez. Today is Friday, May 29th. All right, so we're gonna do this again. I just realized, and dang, this is like my third take. I just realized that my microphone was not working, so I had no audio on my playback. But let's do this again. Okay, so today we're gonna go over my portfolio and what happened, and we're gonna follow up with the CenturyLink idea that I had yesterday on buying it today because today was their ex-dividend. So if we take a look at here on my portfolio, we did actually get paid out by Welltower, $4.88. We had a deposit of $366.47. I actually did two times that, so that was by accident. And this is the morning trade that I did on CenturyLink. We got in at an average price of $9.65, bought 41.80518 shares of CenturyLink with a total value of $403.42. So, what does that do? That brings my total portfolio, well, that gives me a payout of $10.45 on June 12, which is their payout date for CenturyLink. And increase of annual dividend payout of $41.80. Today they closed out at $9.83. So I'm up about almost almost $8, right? Almost 2%. Right here, if you guys take a look, this is what I've invested for the month of May. I've invested $1,632.29. I've increased my portfolio dividend amount to $94.25 with a rate of return of 5.77%. Now, if we take a look at this CenturyLink, seeking alpha is actually a great way to find how much these companies are paying out, when they're going to be paying out, when you have to purchase the price or when you have to purchase the shares by, so you can get their payout for the dividend amount. They pay out 25 cents per share, right? By June 12th, that's when I'm going to get paid out that amount. So yesterday I did mention that I was going to plan on doing about $200. Today I changed my mind in the morning because I did see that the market was going to have a dip. So I increased my my amount to $400, which is why I got that amount. Now, my current value for my portfolio is $8,390.89, with a gain of $640.28 and 16.16% money weighted return. I am sitting on $1,340 in my cash balance, so I do have money on the side just in case I do find other opportunities that I want to buy when I find some deals on the market. If we take a look at my holdings, we're currently holding about 49 different stocks. This is more of a true value of based on my unrealized gains, $567.95, with 7.26% in return. Now, yesterday, the portfolio was a little bit higher. Today was a little bit more down just because the market was a little bit choppy. Now, this is what I want to share with you guys today. Today is the end of the trading session for the month, right? Before we start again in June. But this is my total portfolio value with the addition of CenturyLink. That brings my total value for annual payout to $484.49. Previously to that, let's see if I take this out, right? I was being paid $442.69. Now, if we put that back, we had an additional increase because of the payout date. I'll be paid the $10.41, I believe. Yep, $10.45 to that. So this is what I love about dividend investing is that once you purchase these stocks, as long as the company keeps paying you out, this is basically passive income. If I don't increase anymore, if I don't want, if I don't buy any more shares of any particular company, I'm going to be paid $484.49 every single year if everything just stays the same. If all the companies still continue to pay out at their rate, if there's no changes, this is going to be paid out to me every single year. Now, that's not the plan. The plan is to continually increase my portfolio size so that my money is working for me. This is one of the reasons why I don't let my money sit in the bank, because it's just sitting in the bank. There's no there's no return on that. So what a lot of dividend investors do is they purchase stocks so that they can get a percentage yield for their return. Now in this sheet that I've created, this spits back all the information to me in one sheet. I don't have to change it up, you know. So far, remember I did mention that my portfolio, I started investing in January. So we didn't get any dividends from that. February, we got $1.55. March, $5.73. April, $11.19. And this month, we're closing off at $15.59. You see how every single month it increases time over time. Now we have a total payout of $34.06. We do have on my M1 Finance, it does say that I've earned $59.73 total. So there is some pending payouts that M1 Finance still hasn't sent me. So right now, currently, we're sitting at $15.59. The total I've deposited for May was $1,925.76, but I didn't invest that entire amount. Now, how much did I invest with that? It's right here. For May, $1,632.29. So I do have about $300 or so still left remaining from that balance. I'm just sitting on cash just because, like I said, if I do have any opportunities that I see in the market, then I'll buy back in. I did increase my portfolio value with an $94.25 with a rate of return of or 5.77%. So if we take a look at all these right here, hold on, sorry, my mouse is lagging. If we take a look at all these right here, these are all the stocks I've purchased for the month of May. You guys can either pause the video, but I'll scroll a little bit slow. You guys can take a look at what I've purchased for this month. Starting off right here on May 4th. You know, everything is basically in the green except for this particular one, which is WFC. Everything is increased by a good percentage. You can see everything is in the green since I've purchased those particular stocks. This has been my biggest buy for the month. As you can see, $403. All the other ones are about, you know, give or take $50 to $200. So it's a big purchase, but because I found that there's, you know, CenturyLink was very, very undervalued. If we take a look at this sheet, like I said, spits out all the figures for me. I don't have to think twice about it, but I do see it in the red, which is the 52-week percentage average. What I like to do is I like to look at the numbers at -5% and below. So anything like that, I feel like they're a great buy, but I also like to look at the charts to make sure that, you know, they're at a good buy zone, which is around the support. So I have a little bit of advantage because I have experience in the market. I know when to buy in. But the only thing that's the downfall is that M1 Finance only has 2 trading windows. As you can see right here, they only do the morning at 7 a.m. for me or the afternoon at 12 p.m. So let's say I want to get something in the afternoon. I cannot put an order in at 7 a.m. It's only going to let you trade one time. So if you buy in the morning, you can't buy in the afternoon and vice versa. So that's one of the things that it's a fixed function on M1 Finance. I don't know if they're going to change that in the future, but something that, you know, would be nice if we could trade 2 times. But as of right now, this is what the platform lets me do. So far, this is, you know, I'm sharing with you guys my portfolio. I hope you guys like what you guys see. If you guys do have any questions, please let me know. Give me some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys are currently looking at as far as adding to your portfolio. If you have a dividend portfolio, one of the main questions I get from my personal friends is, when do I get started? Should I buy? Is right now a good time to buy? There's never really a good time to buy. It's just more of just getting started. Um, when I started back in January, the market was at all-time highs. So there was some stocks that I was purchasing at the top, and what you can do is just average cost in. So basically, buying the shares of the company at any price, and just buy in at that certain price for that particular day, which brings your cost down over time. That's a great strategy to do. That's where a lot of beginners like to start off. But I think that's it. This one I wanted to share with you guys today. If you guys do have any suggestions for any future videos, or if you guys do have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Do me a favor, please please share this video. If you guys have any friends that are into investing or want to get started with a portfolio, send them my way. I would love to show them what I got. When I started this portfolio, I didn't start with a lot of money. If you want to take a look right here, let's see deposits. So I started depositing in January 16, $380, $198, $349. So they're a little bit, a little bit more on the average side of deposits. I don't have a big amount, but what I created for myself was I made it a habit that whatever I get paid, I set aside 20% and I automatically put it into my portfolio. That way I have something to trade or something to invest. If your money just sits in a bank, it's not really doing much for you, because the bank only gives you a 0.01% return. I'd rather get a return on the market with purchasing stocks that give out, a really good dividend yield. There's a lot of companies and there's a lot of YouTubers that suggest a lot of good and recommend stocks. I'm not a professional advisor, so these are just recommendations that I personally like to buy. This channel is just more for a diary based on what I want to show you guys. So don't take my advice. It's just more of a recommendation based on what I personally think on my own. So trade at your guys' own risk. The stock market is a risky business, but I think personally, if you want to invest and get started, do it now. But I think that's it. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Later.